use this sound, please, 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 guys, because hi, Loli. Loli! Hi, Loli.
Hello, Keaton.
How old are you?
6.
Oh my goodness, you're the same age as me. What's your favorite animal?
Lion and tiger.
When you hear a lion and a tiger roar?
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! And then you start. Ah! 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 Loli. How can I do feel better?
Candy.
Womp, womp, womp. Okay, bye, guys. Guys, did you know I actually already knew my sister's age. Loli, your age is 6.
No, I'm actually 6.5.
No, yeah, we're both 6.5, and I already knew her age. Yes, I already knew her age.